Hello students, welcome back to this Python session. In this video, we are going to discuss about the inputs and outputs, how we can input values to a program and also how we can output the values. Also about the commands, then the dynamic typing, and let's discuss some functions coming under the math modules. So let's start with the input statement. This input function is used to input some values to the program. See, you can give a prompt also within the bracket. Look at this example given below. X equals input, enter your number. So enter your number is the prompt, and it will show that message on the prompt as the prompt, and you can enter the value, and whichever value you are giving, that will be taken as string. So here I have given Matthew, and that will be taken as a string and is stored to X. This Matthew will be stored to X. Now let's see. So in some cases we need to input some integers or floating point numbers. So if the values taken by the input is as string. So how we can enter the numeric data. So to enter the numeric data, you need to use the constructors to convert the string to that particular value. So to convert that to integer, you can use int constructor along with this input statement, so that you will get the value as integer. Then to get it as float, you can use float. In this way you can take integers, floats, or those values. Now the print statement is used to print values to the screen. So you can give any expression, mixed up value. Look, as in this example I am giving as just a string that will be given as the output. Then numbers also can be given like this. Then expressions also can be given. Print 4 plus 6 means 4 plus 6 is evaluated and its result will be printed out. In this way you can use different type of expressions together to print the values to the output. Now let's see what's the use of comments in a program. If you write a big program, it will be very difficult to understand what is written within that. What is the purpose of a particular function? What is the purpose of this expression? All those things, if you are writing into a program, it will be helpful for you and also to other persons to understand your program. So this interpreter never ignores those comments. So how we can write the comments? There is single line comments and also multiple line comments. Single line comments starts with a hash symbol. Multi-line comments will start and ends with a triple quotes. The multi-line comments means comment writing in different lines. So single line comments just starts with a hash, and multi-line comments start and end with triple quotes. Single quotes or double quotes can be used. Now let's see the dynamic typing. Dynamic typing means data type is changed dynamically. That means during the runtime. Let's see the example first. X equals 10. Then we are printing the type of X. Type of X is integer. Now to that X itself we are storing mtss kzhy. This is a string. So let's see the type of this. The same X was integer, now it is turned to a string. So this type of dynamic change is possible for a variable, but this is not possible in C++. Once an X is declared as an integer, you can't use any other values into that, but here this is possible. Now let's see some functions coming under the math module. Modules means just like we have header files in C++, here we have modules. Modules means a collection of functions. So first thing, we need to import the math modules. Just like we do hash include math.h in C++, here we need to import that. To import, you can just write the statement import math. If you want to import only a particular function, you can do it in this way also. From math import sqrt. It will load only the sqrt. Now let's see some functions. Ceal. This returns the smallest integer not less than x. smallest integer not less than x. That means math to evaluate this, use the math functions, you have to prefix that with math dot. Math dot ceil minus 45.17 means its smallest integer not less than. That is minus 45. Then SQRT is for finding the square root of x. This is simple, just like in maths. Square root of 100 is 10. Now power, x raised to y form. X raised to y form. 100 raised to 2, that is 10,000. So x raised to y form can be used, returned by power. Now let's see the floor. Floor returns the largest integer not greater than x. Largest integer not greater than x. So math.floor minus 45.17, it is minus 46. Largest integer not less than x. Largest integer not less than x. So that is minus 46. Now FABS, that means absolute value of x. That means without the sign. Math.fabs minus 45.17 means it will give 45.17. Then EXP means exponent. In maths we use this exponent. So it is EXP, gives the exponent. Then now we have sine, cos, tan, and all those functions are there. If you want, you can use that in your expression. Now let's see some practical questions. Here x comma y, x is getting the value 2 and y is getting the value 6. Now another assignment is happening. X comma y equals y comma x plus 2. So x is getting the value of y. Now let's see what is the value of y. Y value is 6. So this x is getting the value 6. 6 is stored to x. Now y is getting the value x plus 2. X is having the value 2. Never take this value, changed value. In previous expression, what was the value? That need to be taken. So in previous expression, x is having the value 2. So 2 plus 2, it gets the value 4. So it gets the value 6 and 4. X and y's value are displayed, so it is 6 and 4. Now let's see x equals 10. Then next statement, x equals x plus 10. So this 10 is changed to 20. Now x equals x minus 5. So this 20 is changed to 15. Now print x. So x 15 is displayed. That is okay. Now next line we are storing x comma y equals x minus 2 comma 22. So x minus 2, what is the value of x? It is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. So 13 will be stored to x and 22 will be stored to y. So the x and y is displayed, that is 13 and 22. So this is how it happens. Always look for the values in the previous expression. Then it won't change. That is the correct way of doing this. So we have covered up the necessary math modules, and we have seen some equations where expressions are mixed together also. So that's all in this session. Thanks for watching.